I was rear-ended a month ago. I got the driver's phone number and license number. Good job there. But he won't return my calls. I'm worried that he might not have insurance. What should I do? I think that is a scenario all of us, if you've ever gotten that information, you drive away from the scene, you think to yourself, is this going to go forward? Matt, Jim, where's Jody to go?
Let me jump on this, Jody. And I hate to kind of, I just come out and say it here. Let me tell you. Let me just say it.
Say it.
When you are in an accident, you've got to call the police, okay? A report has to be made. You know, it is bad form for just this reason why you don't do the whole, here's my information, here's my phone number, let's not involve the insurance companies, let's not call the police, I promise I'll take care of this. And then what if that person starts ducking your calls, which is exactly what's happened in this case. And then there's a whole situation, you know, I mean, you can do something, absolutely, you can go down, file a report with the police department, they can do, you know, an investigation, but then the whole issue becomes, gosh, what if that guy denies there was an accident? And then where are you? And that, you know, it's an absolute mess. So when you are in an accident, Kenny, you know, no matter how small, no matter how big, make sure the police are involved. It's the law. It's their job. A report has to be done. If you don't do it, you run the risk, quite frankly, that exactly the scenario will happen. That, you know, whoever it is, won't ever call you back, and you'll be just, you know, you'll be in the wind.
Jim, let's give Jody the benefit of the doubt here. Let's say she did call the police, and this guy's still ducking the call. Where does she go from there?
Well, what usually happens if they have a police report, they have to put the insurance information along with the name there. So the first step is if you are not getting a response, go to an attorney who handles these kinds of things. The attorney will contact the company directly then, usually by letter, certified mail, making the claim. And then it'll go from there and be handled sort of in the usual course. Critically important, though, like Matthew said, that to get a report, even if you think it's a small accident, because you really put yourself in peril and at times make it almost impossible to prevail in that kind of case. Another thing I hear all the time and people need to be aware of, if you're in an accident, don't be reluctant. In fact, you need to notify your own insurance company. All the time I hear people say, look, you know, I don't want my rates to go up. I don't want to tell my insurance company I've been in this accident. Maybe I can just pay it and get it resolved. That's almost always a mistake, and here's why. Your insurance company has a right to be timely told of any potential claims so that they can investigate those adequately and determine if they have merit. If you wait a long time and later have to tell them about an accident, they can and may very well take the position that you didn't honor your part of the contract and give them timely notice so they can investigate, and they may not pay your claim at all.